If you're looking for an AI model to help with natural language generation, you've probably come across AI21 Labs and Cohere. Both have impressive offerings, but which one actually performs better? In this video, we'll break down their features, strengths, and weaknesses so you can make an informed decision. Stick around to the end because I'll share a better alternative you might not have considered yet. Let's start with AI21 Labs. Known for its Jurassic, one family of models, AI21 Labs has made a name for itself by focusing on human-like text generation. What sets it apart is its ability to generate coherent and contextually aware responses, especially for longer text outputs. However, while Jurassic, one can handle complex tasks like summarization, translation, and even creative writing, it does struggle a bit with consistency when the context becomes too ambiguous. That's something to keep in mind if you're aiming for highly reliable responses every time. Next, let's talk about Cohere. Cohere's strength lies in its simplicity and focus on building customized AI models that meet your specific business needs. They offer a variety of pre-trained models that excel at understanding natural language, and they've been tailored to work particularly well in environments like chatbots or customer service. However, when it comes to creative or open-ended tasks, Cohere's models don't quite match up to the versatility of AI21 Labs. They are great for more straightforward, functional uses, but less so for tasks requiring more flair or deep contextual understanding. The third thing to consider is the ease of use. Both platforms are relatively user-friendly, but AI21 Labs offers a more polished interface for those who are new to natural language processing. Their documentation is also top-notch, which makes it easier to integrate into larger projects. On the other hand, Cohere's API is just as accessible, but it might take a little more customization to get things to work the way you want, especially if you're working on more complex language generation tasks. The fourth thing is pricing. AI21 Labs can be on the pricier side, especially if you're pushing the limits with larger models or using them at scale. Cohere, however, offers more flexibility with its pricing and has options that can scale more easily for startups and small businesses. It's not necessarily cheaper overall, but for certain use cases, it can offer a more budget-friendly option, especially if you need something more straightforward and efficient without extra frills. The fifth thing is performance at scale. Both AI21 Labs and Cohere are highly capable of scaling, but AI21 Labs stands out in terms of raw processing power. If you need to generate large amounts of text consistently, Jurassic, one is a powerful option, though it can require more resources. Cohere is a solid choice for scaling too, especially for tasks that are more standard and less resource intensive. It's just that AI21 Labs has the edge in sheer processing capacity. So, which one is better? Well, if your goal is to focus on high-quality, versatile natural language generation, AI21 Labs might be your go-to. But if you're looking for a more affordable, specialized solution that excels in simpler tasks, Cohere could be the better fit. However, after testing both extensively, I believe there's a more balanced, efficient alternative that beats both AI21 Labs and Cohere in key areas. If you're looking for a better option to accomplish what we've discussed, I highly recommend trying the free trial of the AI platform linked in the description. Through our link, you'll get access to an exclusive offer only available to our viewers. Trust me, you won't regret it.